Today I'm going to be reviewing this waterproof bag. This is great for hiking, great for camping. Me and my wife bought it when we went on some excursions, when we went on our cruise, and it really came in handy, especially because it was waterproof. You could go on jet boats and all that good stuff and not worry about your stuff getting wet. So the first thing is you have your pocket, your front pocket right here, and you have the zipper. So this one is, I think it's pretty good size for a front pocket. Okay, and then you have, of course, the main pocket, which is the big one right here. You could fit a lot of stuff. We fit our shoes, our towel, our everything. We have documents, all that good stuff in here. You guys have the side where we put our waters and anything you need to get quick access to. You got the mesh net here. And the cool thing about it is when you're not using it, you could actually make it into a small little bag. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. Alright, there you have it. I usually do it a little bit neater than that, but I'm kind of pressed for time right now. And all you do is zip it up. And this is the backpack that you have right here. You could clip this onto another bag or do whatever you want with it. But as you can see in this video right here, I have it. We took it to the beach. My wife has it. We were doing some tourist stuff, some excursions, and you guys definitely recommend it. It's durable. It did not rip on me. It is made out of good material. And I mean, I mainly like it because it was water resistant. It did rain on us when we were at Puerto Rico, and we were good to go because we didn't get anything wet that was inside our backpack.